Recording it, folks. Today, Sunday, 4th February. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like coming week. All right. So this is the daily chart, folks. As you can see, the MACD is still in bull territory. Conditions. Look at the cloud conditions. Super duper bullish, folks. You got to apply your technical fundamental class here. Look at the how bullish it is, right? And market was look like a bearish diversion. One diversion, two diversion, look like third one, and then MACD again crossing upwards and wants to go higher. What do you see? Squeeze was firing up right now and continuously bullish. So what we're gonna do is let's take a look at the little. So as you can see, folks, here what do you see here? FOMC meeting finished right here on last Wednesday, and look at what market happened. Immediately market pulled back. Immediately we found the buyers. Buy any dips, buyer lining up. This is what exactly happening. We did not even test the demand area 478, and buyer lined up immediately and create another all-time high. Correct. So this is the market has a strength, folks. Right, looking at the diversion does not mean, folks, if you go on YouTube diversion, you're gonna be losing money, because that's what many traders are losing money, because of no knowledge of gauging the relative strength. Relative weakness, relative strength is important to understand, right? Otherwise you will be fooled by the technicals, right? So it's called breakout and fake out. All right, anyway, so let's go and take a look at the smaller time frame, see what market doing on a smaller time frame. Let's go to 4-hour charts. All right, so 4-hour charts, what I see here is, look at the MACD, folks. So 4-hour chart, all the way oscillator was around 4.5, and we pull back right here, retest the cloud. Look at the condition of everything. Conditions of the cloud is looking diagonally going upward, looking nice and bullish. MACD cross, filled up the gas, and market want to go higher right here. So that's what market did that. Now, what do you think, Josh, market would be on a Monday, Tuesday, right? So let's think about Monday first. So what I see here is, folks, look at that. Look at the bullish cycle. The bulls are in control. Bulls are in control. Bears try to take over, could not work, and the squeeze fired up. And look at that again. The bull cycle just started right here. This is 4-hour chart, folks. Is very next to one day. That means, man, this week market wants to take the 500 off. That's how I see right now. Market wants to take the 500 this week. Look at that. We just started firing up. Woo. Boy, let's go look at the 30 minutes. All right. So 30 minutes, what do I see? All right. So we have a squeeze. Weakness was there, but market is still bullish. So what does it mean? All right. So that means we need to look for another demand area. So most likely this is the support. Market could go and retest on Monday, right here, this area. If you see the market on Monday for 491.47, probably that could be your demand zone, and this could create a bullish opportunity. You know, if all these bulls are there, they might retest 491.50 and then bounce, right? So this could be a demand area, folks. Okay, most likely, because bulls are in control, as I see that. Even though here bearish diversion, folks, 30-minute chart says bearish diversion. That's the reason I think if they could go and test 491.47, that would be a great right here. That could probably market find the buyers. Keep this thing in mind. But if this demand flip and become supply, then we could go lower, but you never know. Less likely, but never know. Remember that. If that is the case, then we could go and retest this area, but I don't think so. But we don't want to be bearish, we don't want to be bullish, we want to trade what we see. So now this divergence, see if they have any strength to retest 491.47 right here. If not, then we could go higher, because higher ceilings we have no roof at the top. Pretty much previous roof is right here, which would be your previous high right here. That is 496. We test the market previously. All right, so these are the landlines you need to remember for Monday. All right, since the 30-minute diversion bearish, and if they get played, how it can play, 491.47 would be that's your demand. Many people will be looking previous low, which is right here, but most likely not. Okay, this is the previous low. I'll just mark it up, keep this thing. These are the area to watch for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, most likely tomorrow. Okay, then see what happens. Okay, so this is a 30-minute chart. Okay, so this is what exactly market looking super duper bullish. So what do you see here? Let me go and show you folks. So this market 30-minute chart, let me go to 4-hour chart, so give you a little bigger idea. So we're gonna look into little bigger time zone. What do you think, Josh, market look like from here? All right, folks, do you see something? I see. All right, retest, bounce, retest, bounce, retest, bounce, right? Now this time we did not retest here. We did not even retest and we bounced. That means the market is trying to create another parabolic move. Alrighty, you see that? They don't want to go and retest, not even linear line. They don't want to test the sloping support, not the linear line, and market found the buyer and took it up right here. So that is also another strength of the fast track. So look like this wants to break the 500. That's what I can see, folks. Here could be wrong, but you know, whatever I see technical, that's what it looks like to me here, that they want to go. All right, now let's take a look at the QQQQ. See what QQQQ doing. QQQ is, wow, man, QQQ looking super duper bullish. Just now we have the light, and just look at that light end of the tunnel coming in. QQQ wants to go. Yep, QQQ wants to go, folks, higher. QQQ is looking great. All right, so it had a divergence, didn't work, pull back a little bit and then bounce, and QQQ right here at the all the way at the top area, folks, right here. But it is a lot of power. I can see there has a lot more room to go up, QQQ. All right, then we're gonna take a look at the Tesla. A lot of people are asking, Josh, what do you think Tesla? All right, so let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla, boom, boom, boom. Man, Tesla still got a weakness. Hold on a second. I got, oh, sorry, this is 4-hour chart. My bad. Let me look. 30-minute charts right here. Okay, interesting, folks, here. Alrighty, Tesla finding the support here, folks. Tesla is finding the support in this zone. Did you notice that? Market has been validating this range. The supply is right here. So let's look into supply area. Okay. All right, let's look into. So this is your supply. Keep this thing in mind, and just the matter, folks, just a second. This area to watch, okay? This is your supply. If market flip this, why market could flip this? Look, what do I see? Do you see that? All right. Boom, 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 boom. This is your supply, right? And we could go and reach this if, okay, if that happens. Sorry, if that happens. So let me get rid of it. So W pattern forming right here, but doesn't mean that's your neckline. So you got to remember this neckline. So let me delete this. This is your supply 190, 195 right here. If we flip that, then you're gonna have a easy money, folks. Remember, folks, this is the lottery right here. I'm telling you, man, this is the easy money. If market flips, if you see Tesla breaking 195, then it will be boom, 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 fast money right here to 210. Easy money gonna go. But you need to learn to wait until that happens. We could have a rejection also. We could have a trap also, right? But that is a empty pocket. So you could go higher. But when that happens, you're gonna be up money. So how to trade Tesla? Well, this is one of the event is coming. You need to learn to event happen. If not event happening, you will be cluster zone. Look at this right here. You keep burning your premium, buying calls and puts in cluster zone. What do you need to do? Spread. That's what we learn in option class today, right? Exactly. Anyway, so over here, this is your demand zone, 179 and 195 is your supply zone. see what happens, whichever breaks upward or downward. This is the brand new week starting. Looks like market was validating in this area, folks. Okay, remember that you cannot decide. Let the market maker go first up or go downward. Either one of the direction market need to go. So how do you find early? Josh, I need to find little early than that. Okay, so remember this trend line. If you see this, if the market breaks, the Tesla breaks this trend line, trying to tomorrow, right, little bit, and then we could go, next resistance would be, your supply would be around 195. But 195, if you become a dream fool and get rejection, then you could be in trouble, folks. So you got to trade step by step, because remember, Tesla is all about raking the premium. Market maker wants to rake the premium. So plan this channel right now until market maker go first. Once this channel breaks, look at that, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 days market spend around here. And you think, market, why not going? Man, that's what they're burning out your emotion. You are too hyper to go high, or too shorting to think, oh man, Tesla gonna go down, but not going. It's going up, down, right? That's what they're doing, burning out your premium. So that's the game going on. So as long as market is here, you got to play between the game, right? So this is how you need to play the Tesla. So right now, Tesla is basically downward channel right here. This is the downward channel, folks. You see this downward channel? If the channel breaks, right? If this channel breaks upward, bullish, and next resistance is 195. If this channel breaks downward 179, then the next target is 155. We have, that's the target market could, Tesla could go. All right, that's the next demand area, which would be somewhere around here. So it may be 155, 160, wherever it is. Okay, but we don't want to go and guess, because downward channel, look at that Tesla, how we play. This is the downward channel, right? Look at that, retest, bounce, rejection, and we are at the support area right here, and market will be battling around here to break the upward or break downward, right? Critical stage. So what do you see? MACD in a bear territory right here, in a bear territory. So we need to find out, see what's going to happen. Most likely market has a weakness so far right now, but still between 195 and 179 is, this is the perfect area, folks, to play around your spread. if you ask me. All right, bullish put spread or bearish, but here range is smaller here. Okay, very small range here. This is very small range, tidy range. But yeah, so market is validating here, trying to find a bounce. This is the bounce, rejection, again bounce, and we are in the still in the same territory. Let's see if breaks upward or breaks down. This is a critical stage, folks, right here on Tesla. Most likely Tesla got a weakness. I can see that on a this is 4-hour chart, and MACD already up there. So if they go to 195, might have a rejection. That's my thinking. I could be wrong, folks, but I'm just applying based on what I see the setup. You could have a rejection at 195. So be careful. Just keep it in mind. Okay, they might try to break and then pull back and go and retest also and burn out all the bulls. So be careful. Definitely is not flushing right now the way they did. Right, it's not like that right now. Right now, we are in the horizontal channel. Means it could go be bullish, it could be bearish also. Anything can happen from here to here now. Okay. Then let's take a look at the earnings, folks. Okay, many people want to know, see what are the earnings coming in. So earning is Snap right here. Let's see Snap earnings. Snap is a few Snap. Well, chart looking great, folks. Snap looking nice. So, but the earnings technical can be, event can overrules anything, all technicals, right? So the company is negative EPS. They could beat that if they want to do that, folks. Maybe, yeah, they could beat that. So Snap could go higher also. But again, speculating, folks. You need to understand. Snap looking great if this cross. But financial fundamentals are weaker, but they are already in a negative. So if they at least do better, then stock goes up. Okay. Enphase, folks. Enphase is heavily shorted stock. Right, look at that. So they were losing money, $1.02, 54 cents. Yeah, Enphase is all right. Nothing much. Is sideways conditions are in bear territory, so bears are in control on Enphase. Enphase looking weak. I will be very careful. Enphase. Chipotle is always good. All right, we look into Uber. Uber right here. Man, Uber is all-time high, folks. Right? It's right now Uber is in S&P 500. So whenever any stock enter into the indexes, then they are part of the category where any time index goes up, automatically Uber also goes up with it. So Uber looking nice and bullish here. It's overvalued stock, but hey, if they put it into S&P 500, Uber is going. Look at that, Uber looking great, folks. Yeah. So nice, Uber is nice, folks. Very nice. Next, we normally, folks, the best thing to do is, all right, oh, PayPal right there, PayPal. All right, this is the last one I'll do, and then I'll tell you what we'll do. PayPal looking bullish right here, sloping resistance. We need to break this sloping resistance. So look, tops are falling, tops we trying to. So far tops are falling, but look at the tops from here to here. So now bottom trying to rise. Okay, we need a critical. If once we flip this supply $71 Tesla, that will be a reversal from all time this dump, like last 3-year dump the PayPal had. You need to flip this. Once we already did one time. We previous high we broke, we pull back, and PayPal wants to go higher. And once we flip previous high, which will be not 71, but we can flip the previous high, which would be here. If that PayPal flips, then PayPal is reversal, bottom reversal, folks. Bottom reversal, okay? You don't understand. Then it can happen. You can benefit a lot, right? So this could be a bullish put spreads, whatever it is you do, right? That would be a great one too. What else? All right, so what we do is there's a lot more stocks here, and we don't make longer videos, so people are waiting to watch this market update video. But during the daytime, folks, we're gonna go and spend some time. When market opens up, folks, I always go live mornings, 9:30 to 4 p.m. right? 7 hours live right here. You see this, 7 hours live. So if you are new here, please join the Top Trading Edge, folks. Every day I go live morning live stream, folks. I take my trades, announce. Right here is our community. I go and post my trades, alerts, right? All the videos, everything in the community right here. You can join if you want to join the community right here. Top Trading Edge on YouTube, on WhatsApp, folks. There's a link on YouTube, has a link. Click on more descriptions, and you're gonna find the link and join the WhatsApp community. It's free of charge, okay? So see you tomorrow morning 9:30, and we will analyze all the stocks which you need to look for it. I will definitely spend some time and look for a few stocks tomorrow, okay? Other than that, anything else left? Tesla we did, Apple, all this mega cap is okay. Earnings just got over, folks. So but now a lot more other stocks are have earning probably. That's why the QQQ looking nice and bullish. Bitcoin, we can look into Bitcoin. If you want me to look into Bitcoin, let's look into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin trying to bounce. Let me see here. Let me see a 4-hour chart. Bitcoin has a weakness. Bitcoin got a little weakness right now. So I don't see a Bitcoin right now immediately bouncing, folks. Has a little weakness. Bitcoin could go and test 40,000 again. All right, so keep that thing in mind. Let's take a look at the gold one. Look at the gold, folks. Gold looking nice. Let me look at the gold. Oh, okay. Look at the gold. Bearish. Look at, folks, what happened gold. This is your downward. Remember, we had the downward channel broken upward, and now looking bullish, folks. Look at that. Okay, so the gold trying to break and bounce here. So most likely we're gonna validate here, and gold looking bullish. But how much? Right here is nothing much, folks. It's 2,000 to 2,100. Not even a 2,100. So yeah, but this is bullish flag. So gold is still bullish, but it's around 2035, and the resistance is 2054. So not much gold. Gold doesn't have much anything. All right, so let's call it a day, folks. Let's call it a day on this one, and see you tomorrow morning at 9:30, folks. All right. Thank you, everybody. Bye.